Welcome to this easy English story for beginners. In this video, you will listen to a short and simple story to help you learn English through listening. This is a great way to practice English listening and understand English in a fun way. Let's begin the story.
Chapter 1. The Deadly Whisper. Helen Stoner ran into Sherlock Holmes' house. She was crying. "Help me," she said. "My sister Julia died 2 years ago. Before she died, she said the Speckled band. Last night, I heard a whistle like Julia heard. I am scared." Sherlock Holmes listened. His eyes were sharp. He was very smart. He solved many hard mysteries. But this was new. A speckled band? A whistle that kills? "Tell me more," he said. "I will help you." Chapter 2. The Angry Doctor. Suddenly, a big man opened the door. It was Dr. Roylott, Helen's stepfather. He was very angry. "Stay away from my daughter," he shouted. He took a metal stick and bent it. Then he left. Watson was scared. "He is strong," he said. But Holmes smiled. "Strong, but not smart," he said. "Let's go to Helen's house. The answer is there." Chapter 3. The Strange Room. Holmes and Watson went to Helen's house. They saw Julia's old room. The bed was bolted to the floor. "Why can't the bed move?" asked Watson. Holmes touched the wall. "Look, a small hole in the wall." Holmes saw a rope hanging near the bed. It didn't work. "This is fake," he said. He also saw air holes between rooms. "Something comes through here at night," he whispered. Watson felt scared. Chapter 4. The Night Watch. Holmes had a plan. "Tonight, we hide in Helen's room," he said. "Don't make noise." They waited in the dark. Suddenly, hisses. A soft whistle came from the wall. Something moved in the dark. A long, thin shape slid from the hole. "Watson, light the lamp now," shouted Holmes. A shiny snake was on the bed. Chapter 5. The Speckled Band. The snake was yellow with speckles. "The Speckled Band," cried Holmes. It was a deadly snake. Roylott trained it to kill. The whistle called it back. Holmes hit the snake with a stick. It ran back to Roylott's room. A scream was heard. They ran and saw. Roylott was dead. The snake bit him instead. Chapter 6. The Truth. "Roylott wanted Helen's money," said Holmes. "He sent the snake through the hole. The whistle called it back. But tonight, it bit him instead." Helen was safe now. "Thank you," she cried. "The police came. A strange death," they said. Holmes smiled. "Sometimes the killer gets his own punishment." Chapter 7. The Last Clue. Watson asked, "How did you know about the snake?" Holmes showed him a book. Indian snakes and Roylott lived in India. The dots connected. "Small clues tell big stories," said Holmes. Watson laughed. "You are amazing." Holmes winked. "Just observing, my friend." Chapter 8. Helen's New Life. Helen moved to a new house. She was free and happy. She wrote to Holmes, "I will never forget you. You saved my life." Holmes read the letter and smiled. Another mystery solved. Watson asked, "What's next?" Holmes put on his hat. "The next case, of course."
This is the end of the story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this easy English story for beginners and want to learn more English, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. Every like and share helps the channel grow. Tell me in the comments, what kind of story should I make next? See you in the next story.